येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितं नो राज्यं भोगा सुखानि च तैमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणास्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्या पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुला श्वशुरा पौत्राः शालासम्बन्धिनस्तथा.
If those for whom we seek sovereignty, joys and pleasures stand here in battle, sacrificing their lives and wealth, preceptors, fathers, sons, grandfathers, maternal uncles, fathers-in-law, grandsons, brothers-in-law, and also relatives. See, you see him blabbering about things that are totally irrelevant. And he's talking about people. Now, whether people are there or they're not there is not what matters. What matters is when you fight for righteousness, that will prevail. And whoever is alive at that time will enjoy that. So, to talk about relationships at a time when higher things are at stake is inappropriate for a prince, for a warrior. For an ordinary citizen also it is inappropriate, but certainly not for a leader. And now, if you look at the world today, no one in the world functions with the intellect. So this is one of the most important things that we need to learn, and therefore it is that we have started courses for school children called EF Squared, for university students and young adults called SF Squared, and this Pathway to Excellence is one such program. The reason we're doing it is that basic human values, irrespective of what religion you follow, what community you belong to, what language you speak, or what social strata you belong to, these few values are extremely important. And particularly in India, where 50% of India's population is supposed to be under the age of 25 in the next few years, which is a huge asset. They're energetic, they're optimistic, they are dynamic. But if they don't have the right direction, then they go totally wrong. And so we've started this, not only for affluent classes, English-speaking people, but we're doing it in the tribal sections. We've translated the entire program into Marathi and Hindi, and shortly we will be doing it in Gujarati. So if there's anyone here who's interested in helping out, particularly teachers. Teachers means you must be a trained teacher already. You must be young because it requires a lot of commuting and dealing with kids. You need energy. And most importantly, you should be inspired with this ideal. You should be living the principles of Vedanta, at least to some extent. So, if you belong to this category, please join us. But independently we are doing it because it is so important. So, here is a person, Arjuna, who has completely broken down. And when he says Kangshitam, desires, what you need to understand is desire has no place in the scheme of things. What has a place is only your obligation, your commitment to a higher ideal. Commitment to your own redemption, to your own salvation. And once you have this, focus on what is it that I ought to do to get myself out of the mess that I'm in. Then you will gain this vitality, the energy, the dynamism, and the right vision, so that you don't get derailed like Arjuna did. Next verse.